Hello and welcome to Circa 1990. Today I'm showing you my screen print for the Gluggle Jug. So here I've mixed some orange pigment, and this is just acrylic paint, and spreading it across the top of the screen and putting it down to create the first layer. This is the undercoat. This is the first reveal. It's lighter paper because I like to use these for registration. And now here are the first prints. And the second. And the third. Making sure there's lots of ink ready to pull down. I have to add a little bit more. And now I've got good coverage, as you'll see when I have the next reveal. I do a few more. And then I go on to my second print. This is just processed magenta. I thought it'd probably be the right sort of colour for my second layer of print. And that also means that there's no mixing needed, and any surplus I can put back into the bottle. I put it down. It needed a little bit of extra going over before revealing. And there you can see it really brings its shape and form. My paper mask was slipping a little bit, so I just popped it back in place. Saves me cutting another one. And then I have to line it up, make sure it's all going to be in the right place for the registration, and then a perfect reveal. I do this a few more times until the whole print runs down. And then finally that's the finished print. I quite like the silkscreen print. You get quite clear lines. And also you get some depth to the ink itself, and altogether it makes a really nice print. So here is the Gluggle Jug, first of my ceramics collection.